Youth Media by Bill Osgerby, Book Review. The author acknowledges that cultural interaction and youth media have resulted in a new world. Youth media has highlighted the strong capacity of music cultures and styles to spread across boundaries. Today the issues of human locality have become secondary. The wave of globalization has created a new relationship between youth culture and technology. Modern youth culture has integrated different individuals across the world. Teens and young adults have been affected the most by this new culture. Teenagers and young adults have re-embedded themselves in the globally circulated media. This has resulted in the formation of a new culture. Globalization has brought different youths together, thereby forming what the author calls a global youth village. Modern developments and technologies have played a unique role in this form of globalization. This has affected the social, political, and economic aspects of the wider society. Also, globalization has brought the youth together in a small village. The individuals are sharing similar living styles and music genres. The commercial media is critical towards the emergence of this global community. The community consists of young people who have abandoned the preferences, beliefs, and values of their societies. Today the youths are embedded in what the author calls ethic of global consumerism, preoccupied with fashion and disoriented living conditions and celebrities. In Chapter 8, the author addresses the issue of youth insurgency. The book gives an example of musical insurgency under the name of mutiny. This was an idea aimed at bringing celebrities and artists together from different parts of the world. Mutiny tried to embody the interconnection, translation, and interconnection of youth cultures across the globe. The author argues that modern cultures are no longer located in a given culture or identity but have become a fluid amalgam of international and local identities. This has formed a new culture through constant fusion and exchange of ideas and values. This has resulted from the wider diasporic interaction and experience. Youths are using music to establish their localized culture and identity. For example, hip-hop and rap are good examples of genres that have led to the establishment of a global culture. Youth across the world are brought together by the same genres. Satellite TV, the internet, and international marketing have promoted the globalization of youth identity and media. This development is essential in the promotion of youth culture and fusion. It is acknowledged that media sources targeting the youth will offer new spaces for configurations of dynamic genders, sexualities, and ethnicities. The internet and international marketing have wired the youth together. The youth are using these communication strategies to share their ideas and cultural values. This has led to the absorption of contemporary cultural ideas and practices. The internet is becoming the main communication tool for various individuals such as youth. This has surpassed the telephone and cell phones. Studies have indicated that over 80% of the young population was using the internet to email their relatives and friends. They were also using social sites to communicate, share ideas, and socialize. The internet is now connecting more people than ever before. It is agreeable that the youth are more wired than ever before. This is giving them access to various information and ideas. The number of social sites has increased in the last decade. More people have an opportunity to use the sites and share their ideas. This has made it easier for people to exchange their ideas and cultural values. As a result, a new form of youth culture has developed in the recent past. The youths are now sharing the same opinions, cultural values, and language. Music and modern media have been significant in the establishment of this culture. The new media has led to a new culture that brings the youth together through music, movies, and fashion. The author declares that the youth market is the cornerstone of the entertainment, media, and consumer industries. Despite the economic hardships and challenges witnessed, the youth market has remained significant for many years. Teenage consumption has exploded in North America and Europe. This is an opportunity for different entertainment companies and media industries in the world. The proliferation of the media and the use of the internet has led to the circuit of culture whereby the youth speak the same language. The book states that the new youth culture is an ongoing process and might never end soon. Globalization has established a new youth media and culture with young people and teenagers linked together. After reading these 4 chapters, the readers find themselves asking various questions about this new development. The first question we can ask ourselves is how this youth culture will affect the establishment of our traditions and cultural practices. The other question is how we can manage the youth culture to safeguard our traditions, values, and beliefs. Culture might affect our cultural foundations and ideas because of the increasing use of the internet and other forms of media.